Hello everyone, we're from Group G and today we'll be sharing with you more on our weather web visualization assignment. So on the web page, the default background is set to be this Stickman, who is hinting at us to choose our station by clicking over here. So currently the data for the temperature and the rainfall are not shown because no station is chosen. So upon clicking the tab over here, we are presented with all the possible stations that are taking the readings for the temperature and rainfall in Singapore. So let's take a look. So we were to click on Clementi Road. Over here you can see the Stickman is slowly walking home because there's a slight drizzle and the background is quite cloudy. So if you see the temperature and rainfall over here, the temperature now is 25.8. So for our program, we write it in such a way that there is 4 levels of temperature and 4 levels of rainfall. So over here 25.8 actually falls under level 2 weather, so it's like not very hot, not very cold. And as for rainfall, this is a slight drizzle, so this is a level 1 rainfall. When we were to look at Old Choa Chu Kang Road, so once again you see the temperature, it is level 2 weather, and for the Stickman he's running home because it's a downfall, right? Because the rainfall is now more than 8 mm. And if we were to look at, maybe let's take a look at Bukit Timah Road. So some of the weather stations, they are unable to we are unable to retrieve the temperature reading, as such we are presented with NA. So when that happens, the background is now blank and we do not know what's the temperature over there. But sometimes we still have a rainfall reading. So over here we can see that the rainfall is now moderate. There's a level 2 rainfall and the Stickman is now running faster. So as the rain increases, the Stickman will increase in speed as well. So if I were to go back to Old Choa Chu Kang Road, when there is a downpour, the old man is now running quickly home. As for data, let's choose one of the stations with no rain and no temperature as well. So as you can see, the Stickman is just over there and the background shows this question mark because we are unable to retrieve any data in regards to the temperature. As for the rainfall, there is no rain, so it's a blank canvas. So another example will be look at Pulau Ubin. There's no rain and it is a very hot and sunny day as the temperature is above 31.2. So currently the data we're using is dated back on the 23rd of March because it gives us a nice variety of weather conditions to choose from as shown before. And so if I were to change it to gather the data now, I just have to use get weather in the format current time. As such, I will be able to get the data of Clementi Road, which is currently now at 9:30 p.m. It is moderately cool weather with no rainfall. Okay, so like I mentioned, there is a total of 16 different scenarios because there's 4 levels of rains and 4 levels of temperature. So how we determine is temperature ranges from when there's no reading, that's one level 0. When temperature is below 25, that is relatively cold weather, and when the temperature is between 25 and 30, that will be moderate weather, and from 30 onwards that will be a hot weather. For rain, we're measuring from 0 to 25. 0 would be no rain, between 0 and 2.5 will be a slight drizzle, and between 2.5 and 7.6 that will be a moderate rain, and from 7.6 onwards it will be a heavy downpour. Yes, so with both temperature reading and rainfall values, we are able to simulate the weather conditions of all 16 possible outcomes. So the background will determine how hot it is based on how, if it's a hot day, there will be the sun and no clouds. If it's a moderate day, there will be a few clouds, and when it's a cold day, it's a very cloudy and gloomy day. As for the rain, coupled with the background, the amount of rain will determine how heavy the rain is. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you.